There's a part of a story here to the method to the madness of why we're driving the Hindustan. You know, it's India's people car, been around forever. I'm Nigel Matthews, and I have the pleasure of being on the Backwater Drive this year, driving a Hindustan Landmaster, and Yoki is joining me as my navigator.
I am Yoki, as you heard. You introduced me, and I'm absolutely excited to be on this adventure with them again. We've done it before, so it's a lot of fun. Traveling for me is totally different from traveling for him. His traveling involves cars, which is I enjoy doing the rallies with him and going to different venues that I've never been to. And my passion is my traveling. I'm a little bit more of an adventurous traveler than he is. I do things on a whim. Some things that I haven't done before, I will challenge myself.
I work for Haggerty. Haggerty is the world's largest automotive lifestyle brand. It's an insurance company, it's an auction house, it's everything related to classic cars. And so I have the privilege of traveling the globe and seeing amazing cars. I consider myself one of the 1%ers, you know. I would do this for nothing.
Actually, growing up in Calcutta, I really didn't know too much about the cars or anything. I think the cars kind of grew on me through him. After we got married in '77, the next day, we went to a racetrack right after our marriage. You know, people usually go on a honeymoon or something. Oh no, we ended up in a racetrack.
There's a part of a story here to the method to the madness of why we're driving the Hindustan. Annie Rood very kindly offered, the first time we did this event, very kindly offered to give me a selection of cars that I could pick and choose from. And when he mentioned the Hindustan Landmaster, my eyes lit up.
And you think about the name Landmaster. I mean, it says it all.
It's basically a Morris Oxford that was built in India under license. I'm from Oxfordshire. And then the other connection was the car was the factory, the Hindustan factory, was outside of Calcutta. So that was the Yoki connection to this whole equation. The other connection was that it's a 55. I was born in 54, so that was close enough, that I'm driving a car that is basically the same age as me.
I recognized that when we were driving that car and driving through towns, people would spot that car. I mean, they knew exactly what it was and they were pointing at the car. Obviously, there's a family connection there. I'm sure everybody in India has a connection with a Landmaster, more so probably an ambassador. But, I mean, government officials were driven around them. There were taxi cabs. So I'm sure that a lot of people looked at who are these crazy people in this Landmaster.
Old cars it's a bit like restoring a house. It's a do-it-yourself project, something that you can get hands-on and involved with. The younger generation are in getting good jobs and earning a decent income. They're probably involved with high tech, and I think this is just a complete breakaway perhaps from that high tech industry, and gives them the opportunity to get involved with something where they can, I mean, let's face it, these old cars, you can still work on them. And that's when I realized the passion and the car culture in India and how much it's growing. I've watched it grow over the last 10 years. I'm amazed and to see the skill involved in the restorations and the quality of the restorations. And I've been watching those over the years, and they just keep getting better and better. I'm hoping that now the new release of the importation rules, I hope that's going to improve immensely and give a lot more people the opportunity to experience a classic car. From the car perspective, every car has a story. When I see a car that I've never heard of before or I've never seen before, that just makes my day.
I didn't think in my wildest dreams, having left Calcutta in '65, here I am, I would be here.
We drive through these towns and it's the same the world over, to be honest with you. Old cars just put a smile on people's faces. And for many, particularly the elderly, it's a trip down memory lane.
Okay, that's a lot of work.
Look at the bed.
Yes, yes. Yeah, so we've met wonderful people. In India too, we've made lifelong friends now. Yeah. They consider us honorary Indians. He thinks he's Indian now. We met their families and it's just been wonderful. They've embraced us. So yeah, we love coming back here. It's almost like it's like coming home.